Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by narrowing scope. Pick 7 repeatable tasks that cost the most time and prioritize by minutes saved per week. Next, confirm access, APIs, credentials, CSV exports, and document dependencies so you don't hit surprises. Choose a toolset based on complexity. Quick scripts for single-step jobs, no code for business users, RPA for UI tasks, or scheduled cron plus CI for reliable runs. Once done, you'll have a clear path and the minimal prerequisites needed to build the first automation. You now design the flow, map inputs, outputs, and error states in a small chart so the automation behaves predictably. Build a prototype with test data, making each operation idempotent so reruns don't duplicate work, and include retry logic for transient failures. Implement logging and alerts. Make core values parameters so you can reuse the same job with different inputs. Once implemented, run end-to-end tests and inspect logs to confirm the automation does exactly what you expect and why each step exists. You finish by deploying safely. Use a dry run or feature flag, then schedule jobs or attach event triggers. Monitor key metrics, success rate, runtime, and error types, and set alert thresholds so you're notified before small issues escalate. Make a rollback plan and assign an owner to review failures daily. If things go wrong, check logs for the first failing operation and retry with a dry run after fixing inputs. This single troubleshooting step resolves most automation failures quickly and prevents repeated errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.